I have done my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya, RDSO Lucknow. After that, I cracked JEE mains and I went for my B Tech from Mechanical Engineering from Government Engineering College, Chhatarpur. In my final year, I cracked GATE and I went for Masters MTech in Mechatronics Engineering from IIT Patna. Currently, I'm serving as a PGET in TVS Motor Company, sir.
Okay. From how long you are working here?
Sir, actually, last year I only joined, sir. I got placed from college, campus placement, sir.
What are you learning here?
So basically, frankly telling you, sir, actually, currently we are in PACE team, that is Profit and Cost Excellence team. Okay, there is one criteria in this TVS Motor Company that before going to any team, R&D team, you have to serve for PACE team for almost 6 months. So currently, it has been only 6 or 5 to 6 months being here only. So what we are doing currently, we are just comparing the our competitor bikes. For example, I am in TVS Motor. They are Bajaj, Hero, and Yamaha. So we what we are doing, we are just taking the thickness, diameter of the parts and comparing with our model. So for example, if they have lesser weight or lesser dimension of thing, then we are trying to implement in our motor vehicles. In that way, we can reduce our cost and increase our profit. So basically, it's non-technical work. It's not so much technical, and that's why I want to get
Okay.
into the bill.
What are the
Yes.
preparation going on for electrical vehicles
Okay, sir.
in TVS?
So yes, sir. So there is a one very famous recently launched. If you know, there is one iCube, okay, and the second is TVS X. They recently launched. So that what currently happening in the TVS motor, that we know that the cost of electric vehicle is very high. So the TVS motor is working on reducing the cost, and they are trying to launch a vehicle with around 80 to 90,000 range, one electric vehicle, that is iQube, and this is going to be launched in next month. Yes, sir.
And TVS is the second largest company
Yes.
uh, in the two-wheeler industry in India.
The TVS,
Yes.
sir.
Then
So first one is Hero. Yes, sir.
and it means TBS is the largest, second largest company. Then why you want to change the company?
So, so honestly speaking, from the initial stages of my BTech, I dream to be in the defense section of our country. Also, I want to use my whole mechanical knowledge and a capability to serve in defense sector. But here, what I am doing, I am in PACE facility, PACE team, where I'm not capable to use my mechanical engineering. Also, I'm not satisfied with job because of this taking measurements, all and doing all these things, sir. So that's why I want to change, going into the bail. These are the two major reasons.
Have you ever tried for this NDA or IMA?
No, sir. Actually, that was a good option, but actually, sir, in the starting, I told you because my I was much more interested towards the mechanics. Because of the mechanics, I chose mechanical engineering, and that's why I thought there is a one way where I can go in the defense section, and as well as I can use my mechanical engineering as well. That is only through bail.
Okay.
So,
What are the main competitors of BEL?
Bharat Dynamics Limited, BrahMos Aerospace, Tata Advance, L&T Defense, Mahindra Defense, and Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. So these are some competitors.
How BEL is better than the BDL?
So actually, I have gone through the BDL website also, and what I have seen that basically the BEL is working on more towards the electronic side, electronics, artificial intelligence side, more towards that. But what I have seen in BDL, their section is quite different. For example, in our side we have air missiles, surveillance radars, and in BDL if you go, they are designing mines, that vertically going missiles for short ranges. All the weapons of BDL are more basically for short ranges, like torpedo. They have designed that is also for short range. But here, what we are doing in BEL, that missile we have designed, that is for long range as well as more targets. So if you see the range, covering range is more than BDL in BEL. But I can't say that BDL is BEL more better than BDL. But I can say that BEL should also implement the same thing in R also, sir. BEL also.
Don't you think you must join the DRDO if you want to serve the defense system? That will be
So
more better choice.
yeah, sir. Actually, you are right, sir. So, sir, first of all, when I started preparing from 24th of the May. Okay. And sir, it was like for me to going into defense section, it's either HL is also good, DRDO is also good, BEL is also good. But the first opportunity I saw that is BEL. So I thought, okay, both the utilities that I require for like my mechanical engineering, not only mechanical engineering, sir. I have a little bit experience in mechatronics also, like electronics also. That is tending more towards going towards the BEL because BEL not only work for mechanical engineering, they are basically for electronics engineering as well. So they are working on the technology which is more advanced, and this is going to be more futuristic. They are not only situated for mechanical; they are actually working on mechatronics, and that my MTech will help there also, sir.
What are the which products BEL is exporting to the nearby countries?
So one product I remember that is surveillance radar that is serving. Okay, and there are other one I don't remember, sir. Actually, sir, I'm not able to recall. But I know, sir, the countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, USA, Indonesia, Malaysia, Israel. These are some states we are sending.
Okay. What do you think about the Indian defense system?
So, as,
Okay.
sir, as I have seen from the Google and I have searched on Google, we come under the top five defense system of the world. Okay, we have Air Force, Navy, and also Army also. And BEL, as per my knowledge, BEL serves all of the three sectors: Army, Navy, and all. So, as we know, we are already ahead of many of the countries in the case of defense section. Okay, more we need to work on not on we need to work on artificial intelligence, data science, and more toward the sensor part of thing, actuator part of thing. That is BEL is doing. So I believe in coming future, maybe in up to 2040 or 50, the BEL can be the top world leader in terms of electronic industry, sir. We are already ahead of a lot of.
Any idea about the budget allocated to the defense sector in this current financial year budget?
So actually, I don't exactly no, sir. Don't know exact figure. But I have got the news from the BEL website that they have received 847 crores recently orders, and before that they have got 3,000 crores something. But I don't know exactly.
Beside the various companies like BDL, Tata Advance, BEL, and many more companies are there. Even then, the India is importing a
Yes,
huge,
sir.
in huge amount the defense system and defense equipment from the other countries. What
Yes,
you
sir.
think can it cannot be developed in India?
Sir, we can develop, sir. I can give you an example. We are taking the many much defense system things from the Russia. All we know. So what is the problem in Indian what we can say system that the people are not so efficient to do that work. If there are some people who are working in mechanical for the whole life is serving as a mechanical. If one people is working like electrical, he's serving for electrical. But if we are capable of training a people in all the field, like one emerging field we know mechatronics, not only mechatronics, there are very interdisciplinary subjects are also there. So if you are able to train our officers, our staffs in that, so these can be possibilities of that in the coming future we can develop our. We don't need expertise of other people in that field. Only the concept is like, sir, for example, I can give you, for example, radar. We know that radar, we have a sensor, and we are using radar for drone detection, weapon detection. If I will tell you where should we put the radar on the missile, I'm telling you, sir, no electrical people, electronics people can easily solve this because there is a vision, a range of vision, angle of azimuthal angle, radial angle. So there's a range of that radar that it can go. Their surmountings are there near the missile. So in that case, mechanical people will come. So what we are doing now that we are complicating the things, putting more people at a single thing. in in comparison of that, what we can do, if we are making the same percent trend in this field that is required for our industry, we can definitely grow up, and maybe in future we will be self independent, and make in India will be possible very surely, sir.
Okay, tell me what you like in UP.
So in UP, okay sir, so first of thing is metro. Lucknow metro is good. And one more thing, sir, if you see, I am from Lucknow, I have seen the Gomti Nagar area. That is so much developed, so clean. That is very good. And there is one Imam Bada Bhul Bhulaiya. That is also very good, sir. These are two or three things I like. There's one mall, sir, Lulu Mall. That is also very good.
Okay, how many districts are there in Uttar Pradesh?
So 75, sir.
Okay, what changes you can see after this Ram Mandir temple in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj?
Yes, sir. So first of all, sir, as we know that in Ram Mandir, we have lot of things. Like first of all, the murti, what we call say statue, itself very unique. Okay, the whole temple structure is very unique. So that will increase the visitors to that place. And if the visitors are coming, they are in a indirectly way, they are giving money to the government. Okay, and that money we can utilize for making more development to the UP. So the main thing that visitors will come there definitely, and for because of that money we can develop the whole area, sir. As we know that Ayodhya has already developed a lot from the past some years because of the Ram Mandir.
Okay, what impact you can see in UP state for the farmer agitations in Punjab and Haryana?
So actually, sir, I don't have much knowledge about this, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Recently, the government is planning to sell their stake in five major banks. At present, the government of India has 80% equity shares in that banks. Can you
Okay.
name that banks, five banks?
No, sir. I'm not able to recall, sir.
Okay, tell me how many national highways are passing through the UP?
Sorry, sir. I don't have knowledge of this.
Okay. Okay, if you are selected in BEL,
Yes, sir.
as BEL has not unit in Uttar Pradesh and near about the Uttar Pradesh, you have to leave your native state.
Yes, sir.
And will you be
Mhm.
comfortable to live whole life in other state? Because in near future, I think no manufacturing plant will be established in UP.
Okay, sir. So I can tell you this. So basically, I have done my schooling from Uttar Pradesh. I have done my BTech from Madhya Pradesh. I have done my masters from Bihar. I have done my internship from Tamil Nadu, and I'm currently doing my job in Karnataka. So I already have experience of living each and every state almost. So I definitely I can assure you that I can go there anywhere.
If you are selected here,
Yes,
what
sir.
what you can contribute in the development of whale?
So, sir, I already thought of this, and I will like to go toward the radar section. Okay, sir. So this is because, sir, defense doesn't mean only attacking. It also means saving also. Okay. So if we are doing both the sides equally, we have army for attacking, we have navy for attacking, but we radar is basically for safety purpose. So I want to go for the safety one, making a shield type of thing for our country. Like radar is the most prominent coming in the future and will more develop, sir, for sure. In the two-wheeler segment also, we are working on ARAS, sir, for safety only.
Okay. Have you visited the BEL website?
Yes, sir, I already visited, sir.
Can you suggest any improvement that can be
Yes, sir.
in the
So
website?
yes, sir. So basically, if you open the Bill website by mobile, you see the things are very cluttered. Okay, the recent news that coming. that is also not so visible. You have to search, go in the corner and have to maximize the screen, and then like that. There should be a popping action. But for example, if something is happening, it should pop directly, any result or something. This is my experience only. When I was searching my result, written test exam result, it was not feasible, sir. I have to struggle a lot that time. So I think this should be a suggestion from my side, sir. Yes.
Okay, how you see the growth of Indian defense Indian defense after 5 years, where it will
Yes,
be?
sir.
Like as you mentioned, at present India is on fifth rank. After five
Mhm.
year, where it
Yes, sir.
will?
So actually, if you talk about the overall defense system of India, so I'm also impressed by BDL also, HAL also. So if you see now, they are going little niche sector. For example, Torpedo. Okay, they are like BDL is working on Torpedo section. HL is particularly working for missile system. We are working for missile, homeland systems, and also domestic railway hospitals and all. So if we see carefully, overall, I'm talking about overall, all are working in a different sector, and this will help us for whole defense system to exceed. So I can't tell about the BEL only, but our defense sector will definitely proceed further in coming future, sir. It will be on the top three for sure.
Okay, last year, as all we all of us we know that India succeed to land their Chandrayaan on the Chandrama.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
how it can be beneficial for the Indian defense system?
So, yes, sir. Actually, if we are able to put our satellite or something visualance system on that surface, so it will help us to capture from the space any drone or any some unidentified space structure from the upside, and it will help us to capture any UFO, you can say, better to say, or any unidentified object. So it will help us to make a more safety towards the defense sector. As I told you, it will be like a shield. It will be like a shield for us from the whole side, or from our neighboring countries also. If you see that BEL, what is doing, it is putting their Akash air missile on the coastal areas. That is around 7,500 kilometers all around India. So why they need? They want to know about the information. If from any neighboring country something is coming, so why we can't do better from the upside? From there, everything is quite visible, and we can take easy action or faster action also, sir. Not only from the other countries' point of view, other thing that is happening in space also. So it's not only defense about the from the other countries also, defense from the other activities happening in the space. That will be good, sir.
Okay, my last question is,
Yes, sir.
if the government of India merge the BEL, BDL, and DRDO,
Yes, sir.
then what?
So I think, sir, this is the best decision I would say, because I have seen all the website of all the three BDL, HAL, all the DRDO. So if they are merging, both all this will be going to be definitely be good. Only problem I saw that the person should expertise in almost every field. Basically, what they need, I want to say. For example, if I'm a mechanical engineering, I have done mechatronics, I got little bit of sensor also. Okay. So like that of knowledge, if we are providing each and every member, for example, there is one institute, DIET, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune.
Mhm.
Okay, sir. So BEL, BDL, they all sending their employees to get the expertise from their masters. So if all are merging and doing like mechatronics field, not only mechatronics, artificial intelligence, data science, so definitely, sir, this would be better decision from my side, sir. I would like to prefer this decision, sir.
Okay, as you mentioned in the previous question, that the reason of behinding the Indian defense system is that our officers or engineers are well versed only in one field.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now as per the NEP, New Education Policy 2020, the
Yes, sir.
specialization is eliminating. Government is going to eliminate the specialization, and student can opt any subject,
Mhm.
chemistry with math or with bio or with accounts or mechanical, civil, the all the subjects can be merged and student can opt any of the subject according to their interest or requirement. Will it cope
Yes, sir.
the problem that you mentioned in the previous question? Will it be
No,
helpful?
sir. No, sir. Actually, if from my opinion, see, sir, every, for example, there is one example, IIT JEE. So IIT JEE is not meant for taking admission only. It meant for how you are capable of solving the problem. Okay, sir. So if a person will, why, sir, why uneducation is increasing, unemployment? This is because all people are not getting into IIT. All people are not getting into the NITs. So the thing is, for example, a person who has studied biology, history, and all these things, definitely he will take more time to be get expertise in that field. And from my side, I think that we don't have that much of time for waiting someone. Okay, he will get expertise, and then I will proceed. Sir, if you say, see the BEL notification, they what they have mentioned, then in BTech only mechanical required, no mechatronics, no automobile, no any industrial production, no. So that is, we are telling that government has doing this, but they should do in a particular field. I mean to say that they should do automobile also. They should proceed. They should prefer in mechatronics also, industrial also. But the government is doing. But BEL, I'm sorry to say, but BEL, the notification itself telling that we are not following. But I'm not
Okay.
telling that okay, BCom take the BCom person also and biology person also. That is not going to help, sir. That will definitely take a lot of time to improvement, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mukul, I will conclude here. A lot of improvement is there, means compared to day before yesterday, means that was also good, but the now confidence level is very high.
Okay, sir.
Means it is good gesture. Your body language and confidence is very high. And but one thing, a little bit is required, that is the length of the answers.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Actually, the panel is not interested to listen the answer that are very lengthy,
Okay, sir.
because they only want only the core information, only the main information. Rest,
Okay,
if
sir.
they
Okay, sir.
want any detail, they will again ask the question from that domain.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Actually,
sure, sir.
what happened ki many times we studied a lot and we have lot of information, but for
Yes, sir.
the interview, we
Yes,
have
sir.
to give only crux, only the core points.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and automatically the panel will understand that this candidate have a depth knowledge about the that domain. If
Okay,
we
sir.
are able to give only core main part of the that domain.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Next
Uh,
time I will do this, sir.
Otherwise, they will point out to you, okay, keep your answer short. That looks no nice. That's look bad. That the panelist suggest us. The
Okay,
rest
sir. Okay.
everything is okay. Just one thing I realized at the length of the answers.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I will suggest you to, after the question, take a
Mhm.
few seconds
Mhm.
and brief your answer. Okay,
Okay, sir.
what is important, and only in while giving the answer, only touch the important part of only. Rest,
Okay, okay.
leave all the things unless the panelist ask you again from that domain. Okay, tell me the
Okay,
deep
sir.
of. Otherwise, only touch only the main part of the domain. That will be
Okay.
better.
Okay, sir.
Rest is okay. Okay. Okay, Mukul. Best of luck.
Next time I will shorten all these answers, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one more thing that you asked me about
Yes. Yes.
Uttar Pradesh questions, that all these things. Sir,
That
should I
can be
study all these
asked.
things? Okay, sir.
Basics. Not so deeply, but sometimes it is seen in the previous interviews also, कि one or two questions are asked from the
Hmm.
state or the nation to
Okay, sir.
uh, check the candidate ki is it only the book Burma, or he has the habit of reading the newspaper or listening the news, etc.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Any current issues, they can ask you to check the your like this strategic thinking.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and how you can handle the situation. Suddenly a different domain question is asked to you, like you are giving all the answers very well about the BEL, defense system, mechanical engineer, Suddenly a different question like from UP or the any national problem is asked to you, how you react? What are your face impressions?
Okay, sir.
That is also checked in the interview. It is
Okay,
just
sir.
to check your face reaction. Even if you don't know the answer, your face impression should not be changed.
Okay, sir.
They will
Okay.
only check your face impression, uh, how you feel in
Okay,
the
sir. Okay.
adverse situation, nothing else. These questions are only for that purpose.
Got it, sir. Got it.